Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add ChatGPT in your Java program. So let's just get started. So let's open up our IntelliJ or any IDE you want to use, and let's first off start off with our imports. All the code will be in the comments, so don't worry, you can just copy and paste. So we're going to need all of these imports right here that will all be used. Now I think the best way to show you guys how to use ChatGPT in Java is to create a method. So we're going to create a ChatGPT method that has a string message as an argument. The next part, we need to create variables for our URL, our API key, and our model, because we're going to have to use the ChatGPT API for this. And where it says AI key goes here, we're going to use my key, and I'm going to let you guys use that too. Don't worry guys, all of this will be in the comments section below, and you can use my API key if you don't have your own, but if you want to get your own, you can get one at OpenAI's website and just create a new secret key. Just as a warning guys, after like a month has passed by since this video has came out, this API key may not work and you may have to just use your own. For this next part guys, we're going to have to use a try and catch, and inside of this try, we're going to first off add our HTTP request, and for the catch, you can just add an IO exception. After we created the HTTP post request, we need to create the request body. So what you guys might not understand here is that the body string just creates this message for it with the model name and your message that we got up here into the body text, and then it'll send that to the API and we'll get back our response. Now to actually get our response, we need to use a buffer reader, and we're going to get our response in this variable right here. And finally, we're just going to have to return our response toString, split it some bit, substring, whatever. Now you guys really don't have to change this, and it's kind of a tiny bit complicated, and you shouldn't really have to change it, so you can just leave it be. Now all we have to do is test this out. So we're going to do a system.out.println ChatGPT, who are you? And now let's run our code. As you guys can see, we got a response here from ChatGPT about how it's an AI language model. Alright, so I think that sums up today's video, so adios.